Hello, students. Today I'm going to explain another poem from your book, that is Beehive, that is the Lake Eily of Innisfree. So, before going to the main poem, let's see what is given here as a startup. This well known poem explores the poet's longing. Longing means wishes or desires, okay? Poet's wishes or desires for the peace and tranquility. Tranquility means calm and quiet environment of Innisfree, a place where he spent a lot of time as a boy. This poem is a lyric. So, this poem it will help you to tell about poet's own wishes or desire for the want of peace and calm and quiet environment of Innisfree. Okay, and Innisfree is a place where the poet had spent a lot of time as a boy. Okay, and this poem is a lyrics. Lyric means expressing personal feeling and thoughts. Okay, so let's move to the main poem. What is poet's wishes and desire? Let's see. I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree. So here the poet said that the poet will get up and he will immediately go somewhere. Where he wanted to go immediately, he want to go to Innisfree. Okay, and a small cabin built there of clay and wattles made. And he will go to Innisfree, and there he will make a small cabin of small cabin means as he will make a small cottage, okay, which will be made up of clay and wattles. Wattles meaning is already given in your book. You can see there. Wattles means twisted stick for making fences or walls. Like in SMS we say na torza beda, right? So he will make a small cottage, he will make a small house which will be made up of clay and wattles. And what is his another wish? That he will row nine he will have 9 bean rows, means he will sow 9 row of beans. Okay, and he will have a hive for the honeybee and live alone in the bee loud glade. Bee loud glade, actually the meaning of bee loud glade is an open space, okay, in the middle of the forest, where you will get an open space, that is actually bee loud glade. Okay, so what is the poet first 3 wishes? That he will go to Innisfree and he will make the first wish is he will make a small cabin of clay and wattles. Second wish is he will have 9 bean rows or 9 row of beans. And third wish is that he will have a hive for honeybee. Okay, so you will get a question also, the 3 things the poet want to do when he goes back there. So you have to mention these 3 things. And what he will do along with that, he wanted to live alone in the open area in the middle of the forest, and he will enjoy the tranquility, that is the calm and quiet and peaceful environment of Innisfree. Now let's move to the second stanza. And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow. Now, the poet he is expressing his views and thoughts that how he will feel the peace. Okay, he wanted to feel the peace from all over the nature around him in the Innisfree. Okay, each and everything will give him peace. Okay, like the forest give him peace, the honeybee they give him peace. Okay, some insect, the sound of some insect, which you basically which you can hear in the forest, those things, those sounds will give him peace. Okay, so he explained those peace, that from where he will get his peace, get this peace. And I shall have some peace there, for peace come dropping slow. He said that the peace will drop slowly. Okay, the peace will come slowly to him. From where the peace will drop to him? It will drop from the veils of the morning. Veil means in the morning time what we see, that everything is covered with this one dew. Okay, everything get covered by dew, or you can say fog. Okay, so he will get peace when the fog will cover, or the dew will cover the whole environment in the morning, okay, and where he will get to hear the song of cricket. Cricket is a kind of an insect, okay. So from there he will get the peace. And what are the things he mentioned? He mentioned that their midnights all a glimmer. Midnights means in the middle of the night, everywhere he will see a glimmer. Glimmer means the stars will shine, the moon will glow, okay. So from there the whole environment in the midnight will shine, okay. And noon a purple glow. And in the evening, at the time of sunset, if you have noticed, then what happened while the sun gets set, at a time you see a different kind of color in the sky, okay. When the sky is totally clear, when the sky is totally blue, at a time you will found a different kind of color like pink and a mixture of purple color. So when he will get to see all this purple glow in the evening time, okay, during sunset, at a time he will feel peace, okay. And evening full of the linnet wings. And when in the evening time, when all the insect they will go to their home at the time, especially the linnet wings, the sound of the linnet wings you actually get to hear in the evening time as the sun sets. At a time we hear the sound of the linnet wings. Linnet is a kind of an insect. So from these things the poet will feel the this one peace, okay. Means he wanted to feel the peace from nature. Now in the third stanza, what he said here, that I will arise and go now far for always night and day. So he always wanted to, every day he feel like that, every day now in his day to day life, every day he feel like that he will get up now and he will go immediately, and means he will go to Innisfree. And it happened with him every time, like day and night, every time. So whatever time it may be, every time he feel that he will now immediately, he will now and then he will go to Innisfree. I hear the lake water lapping with low sound by the shore. So maybe he is very very far away from Innisfree, but still he can hear the lake water lapping sound, okay, lapping sound of the low lapping sound of the lake water by the shore, okay. While I stand on the roadway or on the pavement grey, I hear it in the deep hurt skull. So it doesn't matter wherever he is. Maybe he is standing in the roadway, in the middle of the road where everywhere the crowd of people and vehicles are there, or he is standing in the pavement grey. Pavement means footpath, okay. Means now presently currently he is living in a city area, so that is why he is longing for that peace which he can get only in Innisfree, okay, and which he enjoyed when he was a boy. So that peace he want it again, but now he did not get that peace. Why? Because he presently he is living in a city area, okay, where there is no peace. You will only get to hear the sound of vehicle, okay, a lot of people, crowd and all. So that's why he said that still wherever, even if I am standing in the middle of the road, or I am walking or standing in the footpath, that is pavement grey, okay, he can still feel, he can still hear the lapping sound of lake water, okay, in his deep heart core, okay. Means from deep inside of his heart he can feel, or he can hear the sound of those lapping sound of lake water, okay. So you can find out here that how means how much how much the poet wanted to go to Innisfree. Yeah, he missed Innisfree. Why? Because he did not find that calm and that quiet environment in his present place. Okay, and that is why he wanted to go to Innisfree anytime. Means anytime and means day or night, whenever. Okay. So this is all about the Lake Isle of Innisfree. So for today, this much.